Wow, look! Prezzo! Fresh food! Ooh yee! Look! A giant cabbage! Yes! It is very clean. Bloop, bloop! I am an ocean monster! This is a hot cooking pot. Wow! Yummy food! Cool! What is your favorite healthy food? Whee! Hi, everyone! Welcome to our journey! Let's learn English together! Learning new words is so much fun! Yeah! Let's practice together! Join us in the next lesson. Don't forget to practice. See you there! I need to check this long list before we go to the big market today. My yellow shoes will make me run very fast to the food adventure. Do you have everything? Yes, I am ready. Good. We need to buy green vegetables and fresh fish for our dinner tonight. Look at me! I am a flying airplane going to the Loud Food Castle. Stay close to me, okay? I am your little shadow. Wow, there are so many people, and it is very, very loud here. I see the vegetable shop over there. Let's walk slowly to it. Look at that fat cat. He is sleeping now. These orange carrots look very fresh and crunchy for our healthy dinner later. This giant green ball is too heavy for my small hands to carry. Put it in the bag. It is in the bag. This round red tomato smells like sweet juice and warm summertime. Thank you, sir. We have all the green vegetables we need. Now let's find some fruits. What fruit do you want? I want dinosaur eggs. Those big green watermelons look exactly like giant dinosaur eggs from the jungle. Those are heavy watermelons, not eggs. Let's buy these sweet red apples instead. Ha! Look at me. I am a tall green tree with one red apple. Here is the money. Thank you, Fruit Man. This silverfish looks very good and fresh. Let's buy one for dinner. Bloop, bloop. I am a scary ocean monster swimming in the cold water. One big fish, please. Bye-bye, fishy. We bought everything on our long list today. Shopping is all done. Ooh, yay! Now it is time to go home and cook some super magic food. This canvas bag is very heavy because we bought a lot of food. Do not worry. Super Prezzo is here to push you all the way home. You are very strong. I have superpowers. Yeah. I am running very fast. I will reach the kitchen before you do. Hey, wait for me, little chef. We have to walk together safely. First, we must wash all the food with clean water before we cook. I want to help wash. I can reach the big sink right now. Wash the tomato gently, rubbing it very clean. Mr. Tomato is taking a nice cold bath in the clear water today. Everything is very clean and shiny now. We are ready to start cooking. I will cut these orange carrots into small circles for our dinner. I am holding the magic wooden spoon. I am the best stirrer in town. Put carrots in the pot. Carrots are going in. Nice job. Look at them cook. Now we put all the healthy vegetables inside this big silver pot. Captain Prezzo is ready for the next cooking mission. Tell me what to do. You have to stand back because the stove is very hot and dangerous. The blue fire looks like a small dragon breathing hot air under the pan. Stir the soup slowly, stirring round and round. That's it, good job. Yum. The food smells so good. It smells like a yummy warm cloud. The fish and vegetables are perfectly cooked. Dinner is finally ready to eat. Ooh-yee! Ha 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 ha! My tummy is singing a loud song because I am so very hungry. It is finally time to eat the yummy fish and all the green vegetables. Is the food good? Best magic food ever. We did a great job shopping and cooking today. This tastes really, really good. Today was a very fun day with my little brother. Time to rest now.